Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the doc and selecting the exact text you want to justify. This prevents accidental formatting elsewhere. Once selected, look at the alignment icons in the toolbar to confirm it's not already justified. If you have mixed alignments, select contiguous paragraphs together so spacing and tab stops apply consistently. Make sure useful hidden characters, line breaks, or manual tabs are visible. They often create uneven justification. This first action sets a clean baseline for the fixes that follow. Next, fix the middle steps. Open Format, then Line and Paragraph Spacing to choose a consistent line height and add uniform space before or after paragraphs. This reduces odd gaps when text is justified. Then use Format Align and Indentation options to standardize left and right indents so word distribution is predictable. Remove manual spaces and tabs, replace them with proper tab stops or paragraph indents, because extra spaces force larger gaps. Doing these adjustments. Finally, apply Justify from the toolbar or via Format Align and Indent Justified and scan the document for remaining rivers or large gaps. If you still see awkward spaces, enable hyphenation or shorten long words and adjust indents slightly. That helps the engine wrap words more naturally. If things go wrong, convert manual line breaks into true paragraph breaks and confirm consistent fonts. Mixed fonts or fixed width elements cause uneven spacing. Once clean, save a copy to preserve your corrected layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.